Wait, are you struggling to remember words in a new pathetic way? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share that how to learn English and remember new words in your daily life. Okay, as you saw, these are my roof garden, and this garden is so beautiful. We can see different types of leaves, and that makes the environment perfect to practice English. Well, in this video, I'm also gonna talk about that how to remember new words. You know, many people tell that you work like you know many things about neuroscience, so make a video about neuroscience. Well, in this video, it's like pretty neuroscience and also pretty English learning, because in this video, I'm going to talk about the neuroscientific way to learn English and a fancy and comfortable way. Let's get on to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another channel, which is Mehzabin Mowshi. Welcome back to my another video for Mehzabin Mowshi. In today's video, you know what I'm talking about? So without any delay, let's get started. Okay. So number one, what you have to do for remembering new words, find the words. Like today, I'm gonna say pros and cons. What pros and cons mean? Pros and cons mean that, you know, it could be bad or good, it could be random, so pros and cons. After it, what are you gonna do? Make sentences. You know, technology has pros and cons. Everything has pros and cons. Everything has negative or positive portal, so everything has pros and cons. This is called intermediate English. I mean, C1 level English, right? Okay, so now what you have to do, now you made a sentence, now make a video, like me. You know what? Technology has changed now. Everything has pros and cons. You have to learn English in a great way, so avoid using the bad one, because technology has a great amount of studies, lectures, and research. Also have different kind of unexpected video you don't want in your page. So this is a 1-minute clip. Now just make that video and listen it to again and again. Now, pronunciation. Pros. It's not pros and cons. It's pros and cons. Pros and cons. The technology has pros and cons. Gotcha. Now you've memorized the pronunciation and now use it on your daily life. But after a week later, I just forgot the words. Don't worry, because journal helps us to avoid this problem on your daily life. When you're gonna learn English, then in this case, you have to remember new words. So after it, I just want to begin with another step. Journaling is an actually post whatever you want to write, whatever you want to do. Like if you want to write about this lip, then probably you will do. Take a picture, print it, and put it on your journal, paste it on your journal. Do amazing crafts and write about the pros and cons of the leaves. Now, weekly review. After you finish all of your vocabulary, words, idioms, and phrases, open your notebook, journal, or diary. And now, see how many words have you learned. If you forget some words, make a video with that. Then listen to this video every day and put it on your album of practicing English. Bonus tip, you can also upload it to your YouTube channel or Facebook page for your friends to know about it more. Another interesting thing, it's sunset, so you can see the sunrise behind me. Let me show you with the back view of the king. Okay, so it's a nice view of the sun. I really love it, and look at the surroundings. It's a really good, amazing. Wow. And this sunset looked pretty good, so I love you, sun. Let me take some photos. Okay, so now you have to read intermediate level book. But you know, I've remembered the new words, but how did you get all the words? Now, write it to your YouTube intermediate, basic level, intermediate, or advanced phrases podcast. Now you'll get the result, and you know, in different kinds of video, when they say advanced idioms, they actually pause the video and explain about the idiom. So that will help you write it to your diary, make a video, share it with your family and friends, and then don't forget to practice it daily, because consistency is the key. If you want to learn more about the phrase consistency is the key, well, watch this video. Well, if you want to support more of the videos that I'll make more of the videos, please don't forget to like, because your like means a lot to me. Again, share it with your family and friends, because your friends may not know about this effective way, because you have to share everyone. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon thing. And if you do that, you'll get all the notification whenever I upload anything to my YouTube channel. See you later in the next video. Till then, keep practicing English.